Welcome to Parris RV, and here's a look at another great deal from our huge selection of RVs, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. And it comes equipped with night shades, electric stabilizer jacks, power awning, kitchen pantry, bathroom cabinet with mirror, 2 entrances, walk-around queen bed, TV hookup in bedroom, double-door refrigerator, overhead kitchen storage, solid surface kitchen countertops, shower skylight, closets on both sides of the bed, outside speakers, surround sound, double kitchen sink, U-shaped dinette. Master bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a door. Living area television, AM FM CD DVD player, single slide, sleeps up to 8 people, 3-burner range, set of bunks, convection microwave, LED interior lighting, walk-through bathroom. Parris RV is located in the heart of Salt Lake County and specializes in sales, service, and RV parts. We carry new and used travel trailers, tent trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes. Parris RV is family-owned and operated with over 25 years of experience in the RV industry. Parris RV is the perfect place to shop. We're the #1 camping trailer and travel trailer dealer in the state. With over 26 brands to choose from and over 400 units in stock, you're sure to find the right RV for your family. Come see us today.